Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Minnie. Today we're gonna be cooking a vegan dish called Vegan StirFry Noodles. Well, first of all, we want to thank Pacific Rim for sending us this bottle of Riesling, and I think it's fun to drink and cook together. All right, let's get this open. It's good. Have you sharpened knives before?
No, I haven't.
You know, the funny thing is my parents never showed me how to sharpen knives, but I've always seen them do this. So they'll hold it and go like this now. You want to slide the blade on the sharp part. Stop, that's a start.
It does, yeah.
Pour garlic cloves in there and pound it up. Oh, that.
As you can see, I don't cook.
For after today, you will. You tell the garlic to stay down.
Stay down. Stay down.
Okay, when you cut, put your hand like this. See that?
Oh, like this? Okay.
Move your knuckles up. And you're just gonna move back so your knife is not gonna cut your fingers. There's no right or wrong way to cut vegetables. I mean, mine probably likes her vegetable thicker.
Thick and big.
So what we're doing now is we are peeling a carrot. How are you doing over there?
Stripping it pretty low.
Now we're trying to do strips. And that's called julienne. Celery, what you want to do is cut it at a bias, which is like that.
Like a sideways?
Yeah, sideways. Okay. Slowly, keep going, and then move it.
Okay.
Keep out a bias though, right here. Cutting it at a bias will give you the ability to cut it longer. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Is you can just put your hands in here and just rip it out like that. Green onions. Cabbage. Heat up our pan and make sure it's hot, okay? Okay, so now go ahead and add the shallots. Careful. Okay, so now what you want to do is get a little bit of garlic. Go ahead and put our vegetables in. So we got carrots. And then bell peppers. Ooh, that's nice, huh? Mushroom seasoning.
Mushroom seasoning?
It gives it that like vegetable flavor and a little bit of saltiness up to it.
Okay.
Smells really good.
How long do we fry the vegetables for?
Just for about a minute. Add a handful of noodles. So I'm going to mix the vegetable stir fry with the water so that the water is flavored. And what the water is going to do is going to help cook the noodles. Now just mix it.
There you go. Wow! Oh, first time.
And then we're going to top it with green onions and sesame seed.
Very nice now.
There we go.
What was this called again?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your
Vegan stir fried.
Till next time, stay hungry.
Cheers.